Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with blockchain.com detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the blockchain.com website or open the app. Create an account if you haven't already. Provide your email address and create a secure password. Verify your email to activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section. Familiarize yourself with the interface to locate your assets. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to budget with. Set a specific budgeting goal, whether it's for savings or expenses. Determine the time frame for your budgeting plan. Calculate how much you can allocate per week or month. Utilize the buy feature to acquire the cryptocurrency you need. Follow the prompts to select your payment method. Confirm your purchase to add assets to your wallet. Monitor price fluctuations to make informed decisions. Utilize the history feature to track past transactions. Adjust your budget according to market trends as needed. Consider using the exchange feature for asset diversification. Exchange currencies that align with your budgeting goals. Be mindful of any transaction fees during this process. Use the security settings to enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection to your budgeting efforts. Regularly review your budgeting progress within the wallet. Make adjustments as your financial situation changes. Stay abreast of blockchain news that may affect your assets. By following these steps, you can effectively budget using blockchain.com. Stay disciplined and proactive in managing your cryptocurrency assets. This deliberate approach will help you meet your financial goals over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.